I've been working on building a carbon footprint calculating application. This application relates with one of the major concerning issues of the modern world, which is global warming. Its consequences are very serious and can range from floods to climate change. The major reason behind this global warming is the increased levels of carbon dioxide. So the question comes, how can we tackle global warming? And the answer is surprisingly very simple. It can be tackled by reducing our carbon emissions. But to reduce our carbon emissions, it is important for users to know their carbon emissions. And that's where the carbon footprint calculator comes into play. The carbon footprint calculator helps the user to know their carbon footprint and take decisions accordingly. So this is the layout of the application. The layout has been designed in the HTML and the coding has been done in the JavaScript. The application first asks the user for its area of residence. Then it prompts the user to suggest the number of people living in the household, and the value can be adjusted from 1 to 7. So then the application asks the user for miles driven by him on a monthly basis. Suppose the user drives 456 miles monthly. Then the user is asked about his electricity consumption. Let's take an arbitrary value here. And then the user is asked about the materials he recycles in his home. Currently, the list has plastic and metal to choose from. It can be extended. Upon the selection of the material of recycle, the calculate button can be pressed and the results are displayed on the same page. The results include emissions from the parameters selected by the user, and the application gives the total carbon footprint of the user in LB. Currently, the results are displayed inside the same window, but upon further work, the results will be shifted to a next page and will be displayed through a graphical representation, which will help the user to analyze the results and act accordingly.